You're going to need a few things, and I just ran down to the old Princess Auto in Canada here. We're not affiliated with them or anything. They're a good place to get stuff like this. And so we picked up this pressure bottle, a hose, and this 3/8 MPT fitting, which you'll need to thread into the block of the engine. What we're going to do is we're going to put this on one end of the hose, we're going to put the other end of the hose onto the sprayer, and then I did have a thing of oil around here, but I think Mike moved it on me. And we're going to put some 520 oil in here, and depending which port we use on the block, you lube up the top of the engine, or we're going to prime the bottom of the engine, the pump and stuff like that. So we're primarily concerned with the top. We're going to try to get all the oil up to the lifters and the push rods and rocker arms and stuff like that. So that's what we're going to work on. I'm going to put this together and see what type of contraption we come up with. Let's see how it goes. So right here on the side, right above the oil filter, you're going to have one plug here. Depending on whether it's a car or a truck, this might be in a different spot. But right now, we got that sensor there. So we're going to take the top one out, and that's going to, coincidentally enough, the top lubricates the top of the engine, the bottom deals with the bottom of the engine. So we're going to take this off. I've got a 5/16 Allen key set up here. I'm just going to back that out.
Is that really loose?
Yeah, I cracked it loose. And it's not in there that tight. You don't want it in that tight anyways. By the way, we did take the air hose and blow all this. Oh, you gotta be careful. Blow out as much as we can, but we still don't want to be having anything go in there. There we go. Now, Mike, you can be so kind as to hand me my squirt bottle here.
Your new creation.
Yeah, the new creation. Let's see, we got to assemble. We didn't want to use too much hose because the more hose you use, the more oil you have to pump through it. So again, this is a 3/8 NTP fitting with the barbed end on the other end. Can you just grab the jug and let's just spin it in there. That's good. Let's go hand tight and see if that bites us. And I'll let you get that valve cover off so we can show everyone what's going on. I'm just going to pop this up a bit, that might get that valve cover off. Why do we do this? Why do we run the oil in here? Well, the same reason you would with your old style engines when you spun the distributor drive rod, the oil pump drive rod. You want to pre-oil the engine as much as you can to help it when it starts up, that you don't have any premature wear or anything like that. Also, these things have that known lifter problems, and we're really trying to avoid that as much as we can. So we're giving it every opportunity that we can help it with to prevent those issues. And that's why we're doing this. It'll all be primed. We'll put it in the truck, so when we fire it up, it won't be a dry startup. It'll be a wet startup. It'll have oil where it needs it. So that's why we're doing it.
And Brent got me to spin it. You want to explain what's going on here as these tighten up?
Yeah.
So I'm spinning the engine.
So as he's turning it, what we're looking for is we're looking for the oil coming out of the rocker shafts here. And you can see it as I put the oil pressure in. And we can see it's coming out of, we got our timing cover off. You can't see that, but we can see it's coming out of the cam area where it's supposed to come out. So everything's getting nice and lubed up on the top end. And that's really what we're after, so that we don't have that dry start. And you can see that the rocker arms are starting to tighten up a little bit and stuff like that. So it's really what we're after.
Excellent.
Yeah, that's a lot better than it was, Mike. All right, let's...
it's a good invention.
Let's
You
keep
might have to
going.
patent that.
Well, I don't think I'm the only guy that does this. So, but it is inexpensive. It's very inexpensive, easy to do, as you can see.
Where'd you, it's just pieces you bought at Princess Auto?
Just got it from Princess Auto down in the States, Harbor Freight, something like that. You can buy all this stuff for under 20 bucks probably.
Perfect. All right. What are we looking for over here?
Well, we're going to hear it bubbling up. It'll be coming out of the rocker shafts.
Okay.
Might take a few pumps to get it up there.
Oh, it's still pushing in, I can see.
There's probably better tools for this, but this is cheap, inexpensive. I think we're gonna get the engine turning a little bit.
Oh yeah, look here.
You got it coming out now? There it is. That's what we're looking for. We're looking
Some bubbles.
some bubbles coming out of these. And we're getting all our rocker shafts pre-lubed now. That's exactly what we're after.
Well, that one's obviously at the top. That one can't move.
Well, I think we're out of oil. Okay, I've got mostly air in here right now, just so you can see, but here's where you're gonna be looking for the oil to come out. Here we go. Right there.
Bubbling, yep. Hear it over here too.
Okay, so we know that the oil's working. I'm gonna go get some more oil in here. We'll pump some more clean fresh oil in there, and we'll do it again.